Hey guys, we're out here at Plano getting one of our houses kind of going on. This used to have a bunch of wood paneling. You had wallpaper around on the top, so we skim coated all that, fixed the drywall, put a fresh coat of mud, texture. Now we're working on paint. We still got a couple layers left. We did new doors, new door casings. This house was built back in the probably 60s of some time, so everything was outdated a lot, and once they had their water loss, everything kind of caused everything, and this is kind of where we've gotten so far. So here's our master bedroom. The water actually traveled all the way through here, so we had everything flood cut out. Once we got done with that, we put it all back together again. We did change it up a little bit by adding the sheetrock, taking away all the extra trim and casings and all the extra fine wood stuff that was beautiful back in the 60s and 70s. Now it still looks great, but at the same time it's a little outdated, so we wanted to bring them back up to a little bit more modern, so whenever they get done with us and we get out, they can choose what they want to do with their house, just bringing them back to a pre-loss condition as quickly as possible without having to go back 1960s, all the retro stuff like that. So if you guys do experience a loss, typically from water, a freeze, burst of pipe, water heater, any of that kind of stuff, feel free to give us a shout. We do operate 24/7. If we don't answer the first time, give us a second call, but we usually have somebody on call 24/7 just in case something were to happen. And if it does, we can get out there, tell you how to more consult you through what you need to do next before we can arrive on site. Making sure you turn off your water, we eliminate the problem as quick as possible. If you can't do that, we get there as quick as we possibly can safely. Get there in a good time, and then also make sure we kill the water. Then from there, we start doing our demolition investigation and start drying the house out. Then of course from there, second phase is we can help you guys get put back together again, back to how you were before that water happened. So this is Garrett with Warrior Wolf. Y'all have a great one.